my 4 LED Wi-Fi a project. First, I'll start up. I'll turn on the top right LED, the top left LED, the bottom left, the top right, the bottom left. The bottom right, bottom left, right. Turned off the bottom right LED. Turned on the top left.